What's up, guys, and welcome back to Island of the Lions. On today's feature episode slash vlog, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, we have another Gr86. And guess what, guys? This customer actually came here from looking at one of my YouTube videos, which I think he was looking at the one with the Megan Racing tie rods with the bump steer issue. So customer was like, hey, Ivan, I saw you on YouTube. I like the way you operate. I want to get my car aligned. I have a bunch of nice parts on it. So I tell him, you know what? Bring it by. Let me check it out. Let's get you racing, right? Let's get you popping. Anyways, he brings the car over. We have some various adjustable air control arms, which I'm very happy. And he also has some SPL air control arms. And I just added some toe arms, which I'll show you how to install it in a minute. However, before all this, I'm looking at the car, and what do I see? Dun, dun, dun! Guys, that is not the way to install those SPL arms. If Turner, the engineer from SPL, saw this, he would have a heart attack. Don't you agree, Chris?
I agree.
Chris agrees.
No good.
No good. On the Varus arms, dun, dun, dun! Guys, that is not how you want those arms. No, no. Now, I did fix the left side just to show you guys how you really want it. And there you go. You see the difference, guys? You want to have just about the same amount of threads. Let me just close this up. Let me close this up. Look at that. So when you adjust it from the center nut, it goes out equal length, comes in equal. Pretty much, you want to have the same amount of threads going on both sides. So when you are adjusting it from the center, it goes in together, out together. Same thing with, oh my God, my phone always catches us. It's funny. As far as the SPLs, same thing. Look at the amount of threads. You could be 3/4 maximum out here and 5/8 maximum on the rod end. And there we go. That's a better picture. That's what it should look like, people. Just like my toe arms. If you see, I have them in. That one's in all the way. That one's in all the way. So now when I spin it, wow, it's a little hard to spin because I'm in the air. You're gonna have the same amount of threads on both sides, guys. That's how you want to set up your adjustable arms, especially SPL arms. SPL arms, I am not sponsored by them, but they are one of the best arms in the market, I promise you. All I use is SPL arms. Yes, I get it, they're a little expensive, but it's worth the money, guys. It is worth the money. I promise you, you cannot go wrong with SPL parts. Promise you. Man, for that commercial, I should get paid. What do you think, Chris?
We need a sponsor.
We need a sponsor. Too bad. What do I have? Oh, I have my Miata. Yep. SPL, what is up? Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Turner, you're my boy. I got you, bro. But anyways, guys, besides the fact I'm going to fix this in a few minutes, we are going to install the SPL toe arm. To do that, it's very simple. We do have lockout, so we're going to get rid of the eccentric bolt. So obviously 19 nut, we're going to take it out. Chris, take that nut out real quick. Show these guys your skills, your hand tool skills. Look at that. Oh my God, this guy. Pure dedication on this man. Pure dedication. Look at that. Is it out already, Chris?
You gotta hold the
man, Chris, you slowing down the video, man. Thought you had the fingers of steel. Oh man, he's going with. Okay, you could use a big adjustable wrench, guys, or you could use a 22 on the other side. Yes, 19 on the nut, 22 on the bolt. That's what I use all the time. Anyways, guys, once you have it loose, you could take it out with your fingers. Right. Poor Chris. Gets tortured here. As far as the eccentric,
with your fingers?
If I could do it with my fingers, I just had the camera in my hand. Bro, don't be hating on my fingers, bro. Don't be hating. Here you go. There you go. You can save the eccentric cam for, I don't know. Just keep it around. Or if you don't have the lockouts, which I do suggest getting the lockouts, get the lockouts. So as far as this knuckle side, you have a cotter pin. Chris is gonna take it out right now. Oh, he wants to demonstrate his finger strength. Wow. Damn, okay. Okay, what size is that, Chris?
17.
So we're gonna use
Long socket.
17 long socket is what we're gonna use on a gun. You could use a wrench, pull it out, grab a hammer, love tap it. If you're trying to save the part, hammer the knuckle, don't hammer the part. We're not really trying to save the part, so we're gonna hammer it there. So you might say, hold on, Chris, hold on. You might say, oh man, it's stuck. I gotta get this arm out. That's what you probably think, or we're gonna pull the traction arm out. No, just pull the knuckle, good amount. I'm gonna show you right now. And voila. Here you go, guys. So now you grab this arm, toss it. Here we go, show the beauty. Bam, bam, bam. Man, I definitely gotta get something from SPL after this video. Anyways, guys, first thing, pay attention. You have two sides and they're both different. One side, which is this side. Well, let me just show you, right? That's horrible. There's two sides. This is what one side looks like. This is what the other side looks like. Obviously, this is the side right here. If you see, there's a completely different. Let me show you. This washer, right? Oh man, the zip tie doesn't want. There we go. This little washer here, obviously you see it's like, I don't even know what you call it. Anyways, that's gonna go in there, people. Just like that. Don't mess that up. That's where that goes. I forgot the name, I'm shot. Anyways, people, that's where it goes. That side. The other end goes towards where the lockouts go. So, obviously you're gonna wanna loosen the two, what is that, 3/16 I think it is?
Yes.
Yeah, 3/16, you loosen them up. So now your Heim joints are loose. You can spin them, right? Beautiful. Once your Heim joints are loose, here we go, watch. I'm gonna take all these little fittings off of it and take them off. It's gonna make my life easier. The kit brings you two bolts. Don't confuse that either. The longest one is the one that's gonna go towards the knuckle. So the easiest way to get this on, I'm gonna show you right now. Grab the arm, slide that in there, push the arm in. Let me show you guys. And now, all you gotta do, oh, almost, slide it in. Now just push the bolt straight up. Look at that. And now your Heim joint is complete. Up top, what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab, put the nut on. And voila. Look at that, guys. Quick and easy. It can't get easier than that. Sorry that I can't remember what things are called anymore. It's too many years, it's too many things, man. But you guys get the concept. The idea is, you see, you learn, you get it done, right? Oh man. Same thing on the other one. You grab the Heim joint, put the inserts in. There we go, let's call them inserts. Push them up. Now, right, you're saying to yourself, well, it doesn't match to the hole. Guys, spin it. What you gotta do is spin it until you get it centered to the hole. There we go. Oh, I can't even get this. There we go. Beautiful. Now what we're gonna do, Chris?
We got these little two brackets
I wanna see what Chris
that
says.
block off the cam.
Lockouts, there are lockouts. Yep, put the lockouts in. You could do it that way, correct?
Make sure they sit correctly.
So now what you do to center the hole, keep spinning it there until the hole is centered. Chris, with your finger, they can't see the hole. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh man, so it's easier if you do one at a time, guys, I promise you. It's going to be much easier. So once you get that through the hole, once Chris gets that through the hole, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So give me 1 second. Chris, we ready, Chris? Chris, are we ready, Chris?
Almost.
Almost. Oh, I heard it. I heard it, guys. Uh-huh. Chris got it. Guys, you have to make sure this lockout sits perfectly in there. Not on top of the ear, not on top of this side of the subframe. No, perfectly squared in. Same thing on the other side. Perfectly squared in. You see how this one's not perfectly squared in? So what you do is shorten the arm. Chris, move your fingers, please. Shorten the arm. Shorten it. Shorten it. And we got Lou over here. And you keep shortening it, or grab the knuckle, pull the knuckle. You can pull the knuckle. I'm actually pulling on the knuckle until you get it in place. So it's as simple as that, guys. Once you get that on, nut and bolt, make sure you torque everything to specs. And there you go. And that's how you install SPL tow arms. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget, like and subscribe.